In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix Steam gift card not working. If you've tried to redeem a Steam wallet code and it isn't going through, don't panic. Most problems are simple to resolve with a few careful checks. Start by verifying the code for typos. It's easy to mix up similar-looking characters, especially on scratched-off cards. Double-check every character, paying extra attention to lookalikes like Q and O or I and 1. Enter the code slowly and carefully, and make sure you are reading it in good lighting. If the scratch area left any residue, gently clear it so each character is fully visible. Then, carefully re-enter the code. A second, clean attempt catches small mistakes and often fixes the issue right away. Also, never share your code publicly while troubleshooting. Next, ensure the card was activated by the retailer and that the currency on the card matches your Steam account. Cards purchased in-store must be activated at the register before they can be used. If the cashier didn't complete activation, the code won't work until that's fixed. Currency matters too. The card's currency must align with your account's currency. If your account is set to a different currency than what's printed on the card, redemption will fail. If you bought a physical card, it may take several hours after purchase to activate on the system. Keep your receipt and try again later. In some cases, activation may take up to 24 hours, so give it adequate time before assuming something is wrong. It also helps to refresh your account session. Restart the Steam client or log out and then log back in. This forces Steam to recheck your account and wallet status, which can clear temporary glitches. Be aware that Steam gift cards are region locked. A card purchased in one region generally cannot be redeemed on an account set to a different region. For example, a US card cannot be redeemed on a European or Asian account. If the card's region doesn't match your account's region, it won't work. If you've verified the code, re-entered it carefully, allowed for activation time, confirmed currency and region, and refreshed your session but the code still won't redeem, contact Steam support. Provide a clear photo of the card showing the full code and include a photo or scan of the receipt. That documentation helps support verify activation and ownership so they can assist you further. Thanks for watching.